Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make brochure in Canva. And here's how it's done. Log in to your Canva account or sign up for free if you don't have one. On the homepage, search for brochure and browse the template library. Choose a design that suits your needs, such as trifold or bifold styles. Once you have selected a template, personalize it to match your content. Click on text boxes to edit, replacing placeholder text with your information. Customize the font, size, and colors to align with your branding. To add images, go to the Upload section, upload your files, and drag them into place or manually position them in your design. Utilize Canvas color palettes to ensure consistency with your brand. Enhance the layout by exploring elements to add icons, shapes, or illustrations. Adjust and arrange these elements to achieve a balanced, professional look. Structure your brochure effectively, include a logo, tagline, or striking image on the front. Use the inner panels for detailed descriptions of your products or services. On the back, include essential details like contact information, social media links, and a clear call to action. When your design is complete, download or print it. Click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and choose a suitable file format, such as PDF for printing or PNG or JPEG for digital use. And that is everything you need to know about how to make brochure in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.